Hello friends! Welcome to Electrical Design Engineering YouTube channel. You can watch my videos in your language. Follow the steps to set your language. Step 1. Click the gear icon. Step 2. Select audio track. Step 3. Select your language. You may contact me for industrial design substation layout power system studies on +9 1700 647 4688. Call or WhatsApp.
This is our DIgSILENT PowerFactory simple circuit diagram. First of all, I will show how you can set the tap changer in the transformer. First of all, you can double click on the transformer and then select the type of the transformer and then go to the load flow, and here is the tap changer. Here you can tick the tap changer. First it was not ticked, but you have tick the tap changer first, and here you have to mention on which side your tap changer is. Generally it is on HV side. Additional voltage change per tap is 2.5%. that is mentioned in the I have shown in this diagram that is 2.5%. I have kept the same. And then number of neutral position is 0 and minimum position is -2 to +2. You have seen here minimum position is, I will show you on, you can see it is +-2, so I get plus minimum position -2 and maximum position is +2, and click OK, and then go again to load flow, and you can hear the control node is the HV winding we are controlling, and our target is that LV winding should be around, voltage set should be 1 per unit, and when the tap changer will get activated, when the transformer or a controller AVR detect this and send us the signal to change the taps, is lower band is 0.9 and upper band is 1.1. but that means when the voltage is on LV side, it becomes less than 0.9, the AVR, that is automatic voltage controller, send a signal to tap changer to change the tap in, so that our voltage should be around 1. Similarly for upper band, and then click OK. You can also see one more thing. You can see one here. You can see here at 0% voltage is 11 kV, at 1 it is 1.11.275, and at step 2 it is 11.55, same as the shown in this what is called the transformer in this tap setting. See, at 0.2 it is 1 2, you can consider here 0 1 2 like that, or 0 -1 -2 and 0 1 2. You can see at 1 it's 11.5. okay, same, and click OK. Now first of all, the per unit is 1. You can execute, click on execute. Sometimes it is not ticked here. Generally it is not ticked here. You have to tick to consider the tap changer in the load flow calculation. Tick this automatic taps adjustment of the transformer, then execute. You can see it's mentioning that our tap is at 0 position. Our tap changer is at 0 position, so our voltage on LV side is 0.98, on HV side it is 11. Now this was the one case. Now second case, we can change our voltage to 0.5. so according to us, that should be negative, that the tap setting should be negative, because the voltage is greater than 1 per unit on HV side, so I have to decrease the voltage. Execute. You can see the tap setting is -2, same what we have calculated manually. Here when the voltage is 1.05, tap setting is -2. okay, now we will see one more case that our voltage is below 1 per unit, that is we will consider 0.95 and click OK, then execute. Now you can see our voltage is +2, that our tap setting is +2, and voltage is 0.8, it is less than 0.9 what we have targeted. But you can see here where it is giving information that two winding transformer, the upper tap limit has reached. That means our maximum tap setting is, our maximum taps are 2, so our upper tap setting has reached, but the voltage has not been reached that point. So accordingly it gives this information.